So I never really experienced loneliness until I come to Canada. Okay? Don't know what this thing is. Like I never really experienced what loneliness is. Like what is loneliness? Like, until you come into this country and you realize like, okay, so it don't work the way it work back home in Jamaica. No, it doesn't work that way, sweetie. You understand? I've been living in this apartment 2.5 years. And to be honest, I don't know my neighbor's name. I see him, he will say good morning to me. Me see him, me say good morning to him. He will say, good morning, how are you? And I said, I'm good. Morning, I'm good. And next time I see him, good morning, how are you? Oh, I'm good, whatever. Nothing else. We don't even know what the man name. I don't even know what the man name, I'm telling you. Right? And it's been 2.5 years in this apartment in just live right this house. You know what? I never even hear the man over there and them wife yet. Them walia, them really soundproof. You understand? I never even hear them over there, over them house. You understand? In growing up in Jamaica, it's so different because you're not gonna pass anybody without saying morning, good morning. You understand? And especially if you're a kid, at least when I was there, I'm a 90s baby. It doesn't matter as long as you see an adult, somebody, you say good morning. You understand? Even if your peers don't talk to that person, you still say morning because it's just, respect. You're on the road, you don't feel alone because everybody with your piece, you pass, you go greet, you go say good morning, hello, how you do? You understand? Right? And if you pass somebody, say good morning, they must say, stop then, man, you did sleep last night. You know what Jamaican people talk, right? But I'm telling you, loneliness here in Canada is at a different level. You work with people, there's a reason why it's called co-worker. Them are not your friend. No, you just work with them and that's it. These people don't care about you. You just co-worker. Look up the meaning. Co-worker, we work together. That's it. Okay? And I find that winter, you see now, winter is coming up. I think winter is like the harshest and the worst time for loneliness. Because in the summer, at least you can go out. The sun out, you got the beach, whatever. It's nice. It's nice. You're outside, right? But winter now, you're inside. So just imagine you're inside and you don't have nobody to talk to, right? Me, I have my husband, I have my kids, but still, you can still feel lonely. Do you understand? If you don't have nobody else to talk to, they got to school, and your husband got to work, and you understand? So I find that when it's winter now and it's very cold and nobody is going outside, hardly people are doing it. Let me tell you something about me. When winter come, you see when me left my car, go in our store or in our work, me say me faster than Usain Bolt. Me run like thief. Because outside cold. Outside is very, very cold, so me not look left, me not look right. Me not say hi to nobody, me not see nobody, me just run from the car, go straight in, go do what me I do and come out. I run back to my car. I run, come up in my house. That's it. And go watch Netflix. And guys, I live in an apartment, as I said before. So every 2 meters down the hall, there is a door, there is a neighbor, but I don't know them. I see them now and then. Most of the time, I don't see nobody. You understand? People them just gone about them business. It's not like Jamaica where you can say, go down 2 neighbors, go bar up. Look sugar, beg look sugar. If you don't have it or what, if you don't have it, I don't look to my neighbors here for anything. No, I don't. You understand? You ever that Jamaica? And you walk and you see one neighbor and you just stop and you just talk. And long conversation turn into, Hanansi stories until neighbor don't cook you sit down and you eat and laugh and drink and and all these things. Them there's something they no. You feel lonely. How you must feel lonely. You see Canada? Let me tell you something. Don't go on a body yard if you never tell them say you're not come. I know this is not a drive-by or stop-by place. No. No matter how close you be to the people them here, you need to tell the people them say, hello, I'm going to stop by your house. Is that okay on Wednesday at 1 p.m. so and so? Even if a family, yes, you have to give them notification. Don't just come show up at people them doorway. We don't do that. No, it don't work so. In Jamaica, you walk and what stop? Anybody you want stop, you stop and talk to Maestro. Anybody you want to talk to. Uncle John, anybody. Right? But up here, so no, don't come on people's house. Don't come on my house if you never call me. Okay? We don't do it like that. You understand? Honestly, I don't know if it's because people are so focused on their bills and their expenses and stuff like that. People don't really have time to socialize and all these things, because one of the things that they encourage you to do here in Canada, especially when you get all your citizenship, is show you say volunteering is very nice, helping your neighbor out is good. Even though it depends on the citizenship thing, right? They might tell you to do that, But the thing about volunteering is you're not getting paid for your service. You just go to help somebody and whatever that is in need, right? You're volunteering your service, your whatever. But when you have bills to pay, you don't really, it's not like you don't want to volunteer, or you don't want to help, you do. But you have bills, you have responsibilities, you have all these expensive, and all these bills coming on you do. Oh, and some of them overdue. Right? So you want to focus on that. Right? So you would volunteer, but then you have, your bills them. So you have to try to weigh out which one is more important. You understand? And trust me, I bill them. They said Toronto is like the loneliest city in Canada, and I believe that it's the expense that is causing that, right? Because it's so expensive to live there, people are more focused on their bills and getting by than actually socializing. Do you understand? Because socializing is not going to pay your bill, right? What are you going to do? Go volunteer when you could have work and have some grocery money and have your bill money, your phone bill money on the weekend or so? No, you're not going to do that. Do you understand? So this loneliness thing in Canada, it's real. I encourage you to, if you have a friend or family or whatever, you understand, you try to meet up now and then, try to go out, try to socialize, try to do something. As for me and my family, we try to like get together for every big holiday, like Christmas, Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving just gone, we had a big dinner, turkey and all of that, and all the kids them come together and everything, because we live different places, they go to different schools, and not even, and I see them cousin and them family as much as they should be. Do you understand? Right? So we try to meet up and just try to socialize, like try to stay connected, right? So guys, if you have that, you try to find that little circle where you can trust, you understand, and just try to keep that connection, right? So that you don't feel so lonely, alone, and bored, and all these things. Because we're not in our home country, we're not in Jamaica anymore, as for me, right? Where you can you're not gonna feel lonely, because nobody now pass you. Everybody go heal, everybody go say hi, how you doing? Do you understand? We laugh and chat and say, then how you do? What's going on with you? But here we don't have that, right? So all you have to do is you have to find a way to cope, right? Because a lot of people are just like, it is what it is, do as they say, when you're in Rome, do what the Romans do. So you're in Canada, you just do what the Canadians them do to survive and just get by, right? But it will be hard for you if this is not your country, you grew up somewhere else and then you migrate here, right? So because this is affecting immigrants the most, I think, right? Because you leave your culture, you leave your family and your friends, and we have childhood friends where we grew up with and everything and whatever. Friendship here is not the same. Do you understand? It's different. So I'm telling you guys, I never ever experienced loneliness until I come here in Canada.